Yo YouTube, it's your boy Kobus, the realest OG. I'm back with the review of the setup which I took on, when was it? I think it was Thursday or Friday. On Wednesday. Okay. On Wednesday I took it by. I posted the video. If you have not yet checked the video, you can go in and check the video in my in my playlist. Okay, so I'm just going to break down what the market actually did after on Friday. Yes. Okay, so we had a daily gap with CRT and CSD on we had a daily fair value gap and CRT on a okay and then you had a CSD on an hourly chart. Okay, so let me just sort something out. Give me some Zen music here. Okay, all right. We had a daily CRT inside a daily gap. Okay, so from there I was anticipating bullish prices, and then we had a change in state of delivery on hourly chart. Okay, so on Wednesday, where was it? Okay, it was here. The moment we traded above this red candle and we closed above it, I was bullish. Okay, so my stop loss was below the low of the order block or this red candle. My stop loss was here. I entered here. Okay, the market retested the CSD, the open of the candle, and then it left a gap. It came and balanced that gap around 2 p.m. Okay, around 2 p.m. Okay, and then it closed. It left this. I take this as part of engineering liquidity. So this was buy side. Okay, which the market only came for during this setup. So this setup, I saw that during Wednesday afternoon we consolidated. We didn't clear the highs. The market started to consolidate. Okay, and then we went into Thursday in the morning. We came and retested the CSD once more, and the low of that candle which we cleared. This is the daily low. Okay. Okay, so we came and retested that low again, and then we pulled up, clearing the buy side. Okay, and then from there I updated my stop loss. When the market came and returned here, I updated my stop loss to this low. The moment we got this structure here, okay, I updated my stop loss to this low from here to here. Okay, so I was basically at break even. Okay, and then I saw that the market traded into this Monday order block, which it traded on Monday. Okay, the market started to reject it, and then it expanded down. Okay, in my mind I was like, I want to see this gap holding price. The market, this gap did hold price came to it, and then it rejected. I wanted to add more positions, but I was like, nope, I'm not sure if this is going to price is going to reject this gap or not. I wanted to see the price close above this gap, then I was gonna go long from there to those highs here. Instead, the market continued to sell, and then I got stopped out here at break even, you know. I believe this was actually a great trade management. Okay, so currently what's happening, okay, we see that we are still trading inside that gap. We haven't yet disrespected it. We're going to see how this week actually behaves inside this gap. This gap may still propel price up. Okay, so we're just going to watch price how it reacts in here. Maybe if we get another CRT, okay, and then we are in, and CSD on an hourly chart. But when we look at the EURUSD has had a change in state of delivery here. Okay, it had change in state of delivery here. Change in state in delivery. We closed below this. We had a CRT here in it, and then here we didn't have a CRT. We disrespected this gap, and then while we were creating a new gap here, okay, and then we rejected, closed below it, we retested it once more, and now we seem to be declining. So on EURUSD, then this setup is it has failed, but we would like to see how the market behaves maybe in here. Currently I think the market is reaching for this gap here, so we will see how GBPUSD reacts inside that gap and how EURUSD reacts relative to this gap while GBPUSD is reacting inside that daily gap. And then what is happening on DXY? Let me see the week. On DXY, last week we were bullish on DXY, okay, and then even this week I believe we are still bullish. Okay, so if you're still bullish, we just had a change instead of in delivery here. We just had a CSD now here, so I'm expecting the next week to to use this price as support, to use this level as support. These 3 red candles, I don't want to see the market trade below this low here. I want to see the market retest this and then continue to go up. If indeed this is our CSD, it means on EURUSD we are also bearish. That CSD is going to hold price, okay, and then that means GBPUSD, we're going to wait and see if it closes below this. It means on EURUSD we are also, on GBPUSD we are bearish too, so that means bullish dollar and bearish pound and euro. Okay, so that's what I have for now. Okay, sometimes it's actually confusing to see a crack in correlation between closely related pairs. Okay, so crack in correlation sometimes may suggest that we're going to have a reversal. You see how crack in correlation, what do I mean by that? You see how GBPUSD disrespected this and then it went down below here, but EURUSD has disrespected its gap, this one, which is this one. Okay, so this structure is similar to that of GBPUSD. You see how EURUSD just poked through the gap and then it continued to descend down, but EURUSD is not doing the same thing. It's too expensive. Okay, so it does not fall. It's very strong. Pound is very strong compared to euro. Okay, so pound does not want to go down. If we get signs of reversal here, this is per according to me, this is a sell by model. Here we have an order block, break of structure here with gap. Okay, and then there is a gap here, there's an order block. So if we get another clean setup here, I may be looking for longs, but if we close below it, then I know that we may be continuing to come for the sell side, which is here, the sell side, and here again there's a swing low here and here. So we're gonna see how the market actually behaves on lower time frame. Okay, so currently what is happening, the market has been bullish, and then now it's just consolidating. If we expand lower, then I know that we're coming for this. But now remember, we are looking at this gap here on a daily. So if we get a sense of reversal there on a daily, that may show us that we are going up, but we're just going to follow price and see what it does. So far we hit stop loss at break even. Okay, we hit stop loss at break even, which was here. Okay, I thought that this was going to hold price, but indeed it did not. Actually did not. I thought it was going to hold price. So this was a high resistant liquidity, high resistant area, because we have a low here, we broke structure here, so we rejected from this area here. So we rejected actually 2 times, here and here, but I like how the market reached for something. It didn't just, okay, from here actually to here, it's actually a big move. So I didn't take partials this time because I didn't open actually a lot of orders, but I wanted to see price push more to take partials. And again, I'm just glad that I was stopped at break even. You know, it's better than a big loss, because I think I was losing something like it was what, 1 point something, yeah, 1.9 I think. Yes, so let's wait and see what the new week has for us. Okay, I'm signing out. Peace and love. I'm out. Let's see how it behaves here. Price inside this gap. If it goes below it, are going down, because on other pairs like EURUSD, it's giving bearish vibes. So far it's giving bearish vibes, so we're just gonna wait and see what happens. Peace.